Hello my people, na welcome to my channel. Our Fuji musician wey dem dey call Wasiu Ayinde aka K1 na im dem dey call am. Na im wife na im be dis beautiful woman. He don come out to review a lot of secrets concerning her marriage, the thing wey make her marriage strong kokoroko, strong gidigba despite the rumour and the gbege and katakata wey be say the things wey be say dem talk concerning the husband suppose to cause for the marriage. But because of say this woman get wisdom, God give her wisdom of Solomon to handle her marriage, she no just talk. Oh my people, in case una no know who dem dey call Wasiu Ayinde, na im be Fuji musician wey be say dem talk say im dey kerewa the Alaafin of Oyo last wife wey be say e don comot for palace, wey dem dey call Olori Ola or Olori Badirat. Those name na her two name be that. Na she be this beautiful lady. So last year this rumour come strong kokoroko, everywhere come dey catch fire for social media say Wasiu Ayinde dey kerewa Alaafin of Oyo second wife. Even this journalist wey dem dey call Dele Momodu, as the thing don too rain na im Dele Momodu say no, he need to call this man make he ask am whether this thing na true. So K1 grant interview to Dele Momodu where im debunk the rumour say im no dey kerewa Alaafin of Oyo youngest wife wey be say e don leave palace, where Alaafin don pursue comot for palace, abi na she leave palace, any way which way. So when he grant the interview, he swear say he no get handle, say he no get anything to do with Alaafin of Oyo last wife. And una know say the Alaafin of Oyo give am one big title like that, chieftaincy title wey be say dem give am. So im come out, im come say na that chieftaincy title wey be say dem give am na im make people dey jealous am. All those Yoruba chief dem dey jealous am, wey dem come take cook up all this story against am. So when he debunk the rumour, the wife just keep quiet o. The wife no talk anything. So even the Olori Badirat come out again, come talk say na the co-wife dem wey dem dey palace, all those dem Olori Memunat and the rest, na dem gang up against am, say because of say na im be the favourite wife of Alaafin of Oyo, so dem dey jealous am. Na im dem come go carry her matter go beat bloggers, give bloggers money make dem spoil her name. From there, na there her problem start from, before she come finally leave the palace for dem say make dem sit down. So when all this whole thing dey go on, when we think say the K1 beautiful wife go come as come make trouble or come talk, this woman, God give her so much wisdom to manage her marriage very well. Na im don finally come out come talk say una see this im husband when he marry, so this im husband, he say he no dey take im husband dey joke, say this im husband dey respect am. The husband give am rest of mind, say so anything wey be say dem like o make dem talk about im husband, he no care, and that is how a woman suppose to be. Na the truth be that. She say the husband give am better house wey im dey stay, im dey drive clean car, im dey drive the best of car. The husband is taking very good care of her. The husband respect her. The husband no carry woman come house. Say so which one he wan come go dey kpai himself, or come dey worry himself, or before he go give himself IBP. Say so he no care. Say this im husband, he no dey take am play. He dey reverence im husband, he dey worship im husband. Say im husband na im be the God on earth when he know, apart from the heavenly father when he dey heaven. Say this im husband na im be all and in all. Come dey render praises to im husband. Say anything wey be say dem like, or make what people talk concerning im husband, say he no hear, him put deaf ear. He say na im be the secret wey be say im take dey hold im marriage till today. My people, young ladies, all this our new generation end time babes dem, end time girls dem, end time women, make una learn from this woman o, because God give this woman wisdom of Solomon to handle a marriage, because this woman that they see so nobody will be perfect person. This marriage wey be say una dey see some people the marriage dey work out well, una dey even dey envy some people say their marriage last o. Na some kind that the way wey be say you want your marriage to be. Okay, if na some kind women now, if as they hear all those kind things, say their husband go open shop for woman for outside, house go dey catch fire. But for where this woman give im husband rest of mind o. He give im husband rest of mind, and na this kind person na Chioma Davido be. E no dey worry Davido, na so na make Davido like her. So if you be babe, before you go ready to marry, make sure say you ready to tolerate o, because even the man, so na so e still be for men. Many men wey you dey see so na so dem dey tolerate their women, and na so e still be vice versa. So this woman na very nice woman for her to really come talk this kind thing, because the kind rumor wey we hear about this husband, I no tell you lie, people no dey hear reach like this, marriage don scatter. Na the truth. If na all this generation girls dem, person no dey hear this kind rumor reach like this, marriage don catch fire. But this woman say im husband, no dey take am play. So long as say this husband no do come do am reach im house, e give am all wetin e want. Say she say she love im husband, say im husband na make am who im be today. Say the man give her rest of mind. All those women na dey carry rumor say im husband open shop for Olori Badirat. That one no concern her. She no even send, she no even ask what people wetin dey carry on. Be say she's living the best of her life, she dey enjoy her marriage. She put deaf ear to everything, and this is how it's supposed to be. Because this life wey you dey see so, a lot of people they no want make you dey happy. When they see say you dey happy, they go must carry some kind things wey be say they go want take make you dey vex. So that is the only way to live a very good and peaceful marriage. The way this woman decide to handle her marriage, that is the best way. So na something wey be say everybody should learn, because this marriage wey you dey see so, nobody dey perfect. Na the truth be that. No woman is perfect, no man is perfect. Na ability for you to be able to tolerate, to be able to just, so long as say the man no dey violent to you, no dey take care of you very well. I no see anything why be say you wan come go dey buy yourself, or come go dey disturb yourself, say you wan come dey poke nose, dey monitor one man. At the end of the day, you just give yourself unnecessary stress. Any man wey be say he want to do, he go do. The most important thing be say make the person no come carry that rubbish, make you no come rubbish am for your face. Because e get some men wey be say dem no dey respect their wife at all. Some men, dem no dey respect their wife, so tey side chick go come even get power pass wife wey be say e dey house. So long as the man e dey do, dey go far, be say the woman no go even fit smell am, no wahala. Make the man dey hide, dey go. That's so it just be. Because a lot of women don carry man matter for head, for head, so they kpai leave the man still marry the side chick. So no be power, no be bite, na by the grace of God and the wisdom of God, and they take handle all this kind of thing. So those people wey they do say they too know that too much sense, when they say some kind women they feel say they too get sense, now they land there for necessary problem and wahala. So my people, what are your thoughts? What do you think about this whole thing? How una see am? Anything you feel like to talk, let's continue the discussion for comment section. Abeg, if you never subscribe to this channel, abeg make you be part of this channel. God bless you. Have a wonderful day. Bye.